Please hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon for the future notification to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for your love. Hello friends, welcome back to Amazingwomensworld. Normally we'll get the anchor threads of single colors today I am gonna show you how to make the multicolor anchor threads. It is so simple and easy to do so that you can exactly match this for your garment. It's quite difficult to get the multicolor, but let me tell you one thing, you can make the multicolors of anchor thread at home easily, matching to your garments or for the fabric. It's quite simple and easy to do. You'll often get in single colors like this, the anchor threads. But to make the multicolor anchor thread as required, choose any two colors of anchor threads and it will have 6 strands. So I'd be separated by 3 by 3 strands like this. I'm making the multicolor thread of red and yellow. So I'm separating 3 by 3 strands of yellow and red. Now holding it like this both together, start twisting a little by little without any tangles in between. Spread it evenly like this, or else you can tie to any object like this and place it in between your palm and slowly twist it, or else with the fingers like this. Once the complete thread is twisted, it is ready to use. And this is how the multicolor anchor thread would look. Now without any tangle, we have to secure this anchor thread, wind it. I'll just wind it in between the fingers, like in between the thumb and the little finger. Hold it like this and just wind it. And ready to use multicolor is here. The same way we can make the matching colors of anchor threads. Soon I'll be showing using the multicolor threads how to design on the garments using the simple embroidering patterns. Now I'll be using green and brown. This is of 3 by 3 strands and holding it like this evenly. I'll start twisting little by little without any tangles. So friends, that's all for now. Hope you enjoyed watching this video and useful to you all. Meet you all with another interesting video. Subscribe to Amazing Women's World channel. Stay tuned to watch more videos of latest fashions and trends. Thank you so much for watching friends. See you all. Bye for now.